Good morning, guys. Thanks for being here. Always is a pleasure to having you, everyone here. So, um, high impact news. Some some hours ago. Well, difficult news for the USD. Negative employment, and the other one was it didn't move nothing. So, today is the 911. Difficult day for some people. Well, for the market is like this. We need to continue. Nothing has stopped the market. Well, let's wait the reactions here. I'm preparing a long position. Nasdaq preparing a short position. Gold. It depends for the next. I would say the next 30 minutes for clarify our positions. So let's see what happened. Let's see. Vicky Chong is here. Welcome. Let me see. Shatik. Good morning, my friend. Tony Agata. Maurice is here. Uh, Hi, Loretta. Do you know about the Beyond Prime LTD broker? To be honest, no, my friend. Money Trader, long time no see you, my friend. Welcome back. Welcome back. She started joining your live stream, but no one's haven't seen your smile or secretly auditing for role. Also, your man of internet. No, my friend. The thing is, check the um as I explain you guys every day. Trading is not a happy place. Not a happy place. Even when we win a trade, that cost me many hours for take that decision, and that many hours, it's um, it's not like I feel so happy, I have this for responsibility to take the good entries and everything. So for that reason, when I go out of the office and happy, but when I into my office, I'm not that happy because I need to be serious with my work. I need to understand the market, and most of the time, the market is not giving us easy entries. Even I try to make it simple as I can, but it's not that easy. It's not that easy. I have a huge profit in news, perfect for him. The news for the CPI and the employment. The employment was bad for the. Yes, this is the employment. Well, now it's trying to recover. We will arrange this to into the 3642 or into the 3614. It depends. But well, was a really nice session in the morning. But as usual, remember, I don't work during the news. Um, I don't like, to just, if I'm not sure um, what is going to happen. So, we're into the in sell zone from the last night. This is the point where I want to open the sell position um, in Tokyo session 3637. 3637, yeah, I was here. 3637, but just if at this moment I prefer just wait for see what happened in the next 50 minutes. I don't like this reactions there, so let's see what happened. We have two different points, different cell zones, different cell zone. One in the 39. It's here. The other one looks like this. The first one is this one. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. No, I don't want to. I don't want to open the trade. Just say we are going to wait these 8 minutes and then we will clarify the decision. Okay. So just be clear. Mhm. Okay, guys, I'm going to for some water and back. Okay, so well, we got this beautiful confirmation, but I don't like the point of this moment is 36:30. I like it. So let's see if we can find something in the next minutes or well, the thing is in 1 hour it looks like a doji. Yeah, it looks like a doji. So well. Okay, so well, this is the last candle for the for the 1 hour candle. Caroling, no reposition in sell. So what's the news was difficult. This candle is was for the news, right? So the candle starts in red, then in green, and well, at the end it ends like, well, it start here in 3612 and then go up so hard. So yes, for the okay, guys. So well, we got the confirmation. Now we got the retracement. So it's time to be ready for the ones who are thinking we are not having the retracement. The retracement looks there. Looks nice. Mhm. Okay, let's be ready. Okay. Let me check here. This is the middle. This one, this candle is the. Mhm, 40. So well, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait the reaction. I'm preparing a short position gold. As usual, remember most of the time, guys, I'm going to wait the price. I'm going to wait the price. If I'm seeing something different or something, um, we'll try to clarify the position and everything. But most of the time, it's better just wait the result. Like 36, 39, 36. Yes, 36, 38 looks great. Inclusive 36, 43 looks nice. So pure patience, guys. Today's this is the type of the day we need to be patient. Why? Remember, we got many news today. Many news today. So for that reason, try to try to be patient. Try to be patient. The high impact news always affect yeah, during the day, everything. So for that reason, it's better just try to clarify the position and understand. So while price continue with a high pressure, I remember this day when I was a child. Um, I was seeing the news with my mom. One day, everything changed. Okay. Looks like the price we can take some positions near to the 36.34. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Well, it is recovering the price. Seguimos esperando que llegue por lo menos aquí al sell zone 36, 36. Mooks, welcome, my friend. Perfect, my friend. Beautiful. Enjoy that time with your family. That's great. Today is a holiday in the United States, or just it's like a day with a Memorial Day or something like this. Not sure. I don't remember. Mosawer, my friend, how old are you, my friend? I feel old too, you know. Sometimes I feel old. Sometimes I feel like I just have not too much years. So well, guys, waiting. How about the news today, boss? So the news, this massive candle, what you see here, this one was the news. For that reason, I don't trade during the news because it's very difficult, you know. To clarify, it may around. Let me count that candle. 300 pips, around 300 pips, just in 15 minutes. And of course, this is not normal. You know, you can destroy your account in less than 15 minutes if someone take that entry in the ground position. It's difficult. It's difficult. I know some people don't trade the news without stop loss and everything. Um, and well, Sanim, most of the time we are disagree. You know, I respect your ideas, but well, by my side, I prefer to open the short position. because the reaction for the news so regime is already done. The highest reaction was here in this point in 36.43. For that reason, we will try the position there. But if you don't want to take it, just don't take it. It's very simple. Very very simple. We can wait the 36.40 inclusive. 36.45 could be a good point. Well, it depends of the confirmation what we have here. Okay, testing the sun. Remember now we are waiting the reaction here. Okay, so I pretend around 36.39 could be a good point. So it's time to be ready. In the next 6 minutes, we will see if we can open the position here again or not. It depends for the next candles. Okay. Like that sound. Let's wait, guys. Okay, perfect. So let's prepare the position 36.39, 36.40. Be a good points there. Okay. Remember, I need an accumulation there. Accumulation in 1 minute. Now was a good reaction here, but they need the accumulation in 1 minute for clarify the position, at least 2 3 candles. Here the price just touch the price and go. So so 36.39. Let's see. Waiting. Okay. It's a hard reaction. The thing is that reaction was for around 25 pips. Okay. 20 seconds. Okay, now we got the accumulation around 36.38. Let's wait that accumulation. Okay, waiting for at least 36, 37, 36, 38. The accumulation is there. So let's see. At least 36, 37. So we need some pips more for retracement. Okay, nice retracement. Perfect. 36, 37. Hmm, almost there. Perfect. So, well, there is into the 36, 38. So that would be our point of entry again. So I'm into a sell position now. Take your own risk and control the lot size, please. Control the lot size. It's important to control the lot size. Please, please, please control the lot size. Remember, this type of market, it's really really difficult. So let's be clear of that. Okay, let's be clear of that. 36, 38. Well, 36, 37 at the end of the entry. Okay, and this is the position. The stop loss is 36.41. That's 70. Thirty-six, 32, 36, 32, 36, 29. Okay. Almost TP1. That's great. TP1 it's now. TP1 it's now. Let me see the 29. So it was a good reaction. Share your profits. The ones who play attention again. I know some people come here and don't pay attention about the positions, but well, that's uh, that's the reality nowadays. The price is not waiting for no one. So well, okay. Let me clarify here. It's 29.70. Share your profits there. Share your profits there. $33 pips. Not too much risk. Now is an option to be in break even. Share your profits, guys, into the chat. Share your profits. I will reduce my stop. Will reduce my stop. Not too much stop. Stop is reduced. So well, congratulations for the ones who take the entry. TP1, try to take some partials. Um, so let's see. Let's see if we can touch the TP2. It depends for the next 4 hours. Depends for the next 4 hours. Nasdaq, my friend Karjan, is near to the well, it's into the 80H. So not too much to do, my friend. So guys, take care. Remember, we are against the trend. So we are trying to do something good here in a nice point. But well, try to set your break even. Try to take some partials and everything because it's difficult. So well, we need to stay there. We need to stay there. Of course, we need to at least break the 36, 35 in order to continue for the TP2. Let's see the reactions. Let's see the reactions. And well, guys, I'm trying to explain the entry as better as I can. So sorry for the ones who can take the entry, guys, but the but well, the market nowadays is like this. It's not like it's not waiting for no one. If you want to be the profits, you need to be clear in the break even. You need to be clear to the takes on partials because the market is like this. The market is like this. Well, um, so well, the last candle giving us a good movements there more than the 0.5. So that's great. That means we got another point of reaction here into the 36, 35. So well, it's time to wait. It's time to wait. Yes, for the Nasdaq, I need to clarify this. So well, let's wait the reaction here. If you don't have any partial something, you can find you can do the partial now. Around 40 pips. It's really nice. Um, Hi. What confirmation do you see for entered the trade? The confirmation what I see this that was this beautiful candle. here was a pin bar reaction. Sorry, was a shooting star. Then it gives us this candle. It's an engulfing candle, but of course, um, I'm going to open the trade around 36.32 or something like this. Just and wait the retracement for the original sell zone, and then I take the position. I know some people don't want to take the entry. Um, well, this is the it was the deal, you know. And also people into the chat don't want to take the entry and everything. And some people don't take it, you know. Um, and well, there was the deal for today, and explain it for I don't know 2 hours. My idea. Well, um, that was the good reaction. It was a good reaction. Now we are going to hit the TP2. And the TP2 is almost there, guys. My friend, I just have two methods of payment. Well, three methods of payments. Um, TP2 it's now. TP2 it's now. TP2 it's now. TP2 it's now. So now it's time to do in break even. It's time to be in break even. Plus break even it's now. Break even it's now. Share your profits, guys. Share your profits into the chat. Share your profits. It's time to be in break even. Partial. Elena, dear, thanks, God. You take it. That's great. Um, 600 money trader. Okay. PayPal not working. UPI option open, please. I don't know what is the UPI, my friend. And I'm pretty sure you're for for India, my friend. So you can use PayPal with no issues. When people say why you take the certain trades because they think we leave open hours. Yes, exactly. You know, I'm seeing the. Oh, it's something what I explained to Sanim. You know, I think if he continue like this, you know, trying to generate confusion into the chat. I need to block him. I understand he have different ideas and everything. But well, always disappear. When he said an idea, always he disappear. Okay, top dog is out. Beautiful. Hi, bro. I usually come here in New York session, my friend. Do you live in States? No, I'm living in Costa Rica. I live in Costa Rica, but many people live here as for United States. So he just said Costa Rica. Yes, I'm living in Costa Rica. Costa Rica. Now it's a rainy season or dry season. So 6 months it's very hot, and 6 months is pure storms. Everything is green, so that's great. Cells Killer Block, my friend. Nice to see you here again. Nice to see you here. Difficult. Who is from uh, Virginia? No, I play League of Legends. I'm really bad in the League of Legends. I'm really flammer. Most of the time, when I usually when I close the stream, I continue with the. So yes. So well, guys, should be move B on TP1. Kerjam, you can do it with no issues. You can change your TP1 into the this option. I would recommend to you, if you want to give more space, for this trade, to move it at least to 36, 35. But if you want to change it to TP1, it's an option. It's totally valid. What is the deal per month for a profitable trader? Um, for pips, at least, if I want to be a good month, it's at least 700, 600 pips. Um, of course, mixed with the less than 600, I think my accounts could be like not that good, because most of the time I hold the trades, like when touching a stop loss and everything. I hold the trade on the full stop loss. So at least if I want to see a preferable month, at the end of the month, at least 600 pips. So 600 pips now, that means that the we are not even close to end the month, and my accounts looks good with some stop loss, but well, at least I would say the 600. Mm, Chuck. My friend, it's nice to read something about God, but here is a channel for trading, my friend. I don't like to mix God with trading. Um, yes, never mix God with trading, guys. Never mix God with trading. Um, Please understand, like, if you are thinking about God or everything, you need to. It's just when you wake up, not during the trade. No, not during the trade. During the trade, forget God, because if you start in praying in your trading, that means it didn't look well. So please, 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 uh, don't mix God with trading. Book on 32. Hassan, perfect. I make about 600 to 100 bits per month currently, and that makes me around 2K a month. Perfect. For sure, you can, my friend. You can. If you do it like this every month, that means that's great. So, well. um, okay, guys. So, well, let's continue with the ads for the day. Remember, if you are thinking you want to open a challenge, you can go into the propermatch.com. There you will see the best offers, the best discounts about the most of the trustable prop firms companies into the market. So just make me a favor, click the link. I will share the link into the chat. Check the information, and you will see many, many options there into the bronfordmatch.com, guys. So just go there, click, read all the comments, and of course, read the reviews about the every trader who bought there into the different companies listed in bronfordmatch.com. com, guys. Just click the link. The link is onto the chat, and you will see the information. There into the proper match com, guys. So well, now it's testing the 3635. So let's see what happened there. Now, some people change the structure there. Remember, we are against the trend. So for that reason, I did the recommendation for the break even. Okay, so always be clear of that. So testing the 3637. Let's see the reactions there. So well, probably most of the people here touch the break even. Probably the price will touch the break even. Uh, it touched the B. Yes, it touched the B. My B is in a 36, 38.50. So let's see what happened there in that point. So well, let me clarify. Nasdaq continue with the ATH process. Gold will continue to take touch. Sorry, touch the. Okay, let me see. 1 hour. 1 hour it generates another position. It will break the sun. So well, that was the break even. We have another. Well, let me see now. We need to wait 1 hour more for clarify that position. Let me see in 1 or 4 hours. Mm, okay, let's see. I'm trying to go up, and it will break this sun. Okay, in 36.34. So the B is taken. The B is taken. That's great. So let's see the reactions there. 57 pips. 57 pips. 5 what's a sell? 57 pips without too much issues. Here is perfect. So well, now what happened now? We got this the last session. The last session it's there into the 43 session it's there. But well, let's see the reactions now. Was a little retracement. We worked the retracement there. I was expecting at least touch the 36.28. It didn't touch that point. So well, 43, right? Let's see the reaction there for the next minutes. We have many hours at this point to take another point. If the price break the sun, we will change the plan for continue with the uptrend position. hmm For open a long position, but it depends for this next candles. Depends for the next candle. I mean, thanks, my friend. Thanks. I appreciate your words. Thanks for your support. I really appreciate that. That's the idea, you know. That's the idea. It's something what I explain you guys. Like, um, the patient is something what we need to have if we want to be a traders. You need to be patient. You can be angry for if you lose or not. You can be angry. It loses as part of the trading, Break even is part of the trading, and TP1, TP2, TP3 is part of the trading. Not every day we can make the full take profit. For example, for this week, just in Tokyo session, I tried to open a long position. It was a full take profit. It was beautiful, but well, it's difficult, you know. The full take profit is if you trade just for full take profit, probably trading it's going to be very um, disappointing by your side. Um, I would say like if I prefer just of course hold the long positions than the short positions. For that reason, always when we're in short position, I always clarify it's time to pay break even and it's time to take the partials and the others. Just let's see what happens. Okay. So well, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. It's going up again. It's going up again. Testing the second zone. Testing the second zone. Waiting. Remember, at this moment, it's pure patience. That's all. Pure patience, guys. Pure patience. Let's see the reactions here. For Hassan, patience is the key to success. Exactly. Exactly. No one is forcing us to take any position. But well, it depends. Here, for example, let's see. Mhm. Well, if we want to continue, probably it will test the 3636. But again, if it didn't give us the proper retracement, we're not going to open the trade. So we have this candle and two more for clarify this position. Okay. Let's see what happened. Okay, so let me check. Okay, in 50 minutes, it break the little resistance there. Now it's giving us retest. So well, uh, so for that reason, the price is well. This is a break of a structure here plus volume. Well, for the block order there into the 0.5. Let's see the reaction and let's wait this 5 minutes. 5 minutes more to clarify the position. Let's see. 4 minutes. 3 minutes. Trade is not open yet. Exactly. Trade is not open yet. Trade is not open yet. So let's see. Clive boy, my friend, welcome. The capybara is here. I think it go up now. Probably yes. Probably yes. And explain. This zone is important for this a break of a structure, and well, it's plus the 0.5. And well, it depends for the next minutes. Let's see what happens. To be honest, since yesterday, I prefer to well, since Tokyo session, I see some different reactions for sellers. So for that reason, I'm clarifying the positions like this, but just for um New York is just for the sailors, you know. Well, let's see what happened. So are we still there? Yes, exactly, Top Duck. The last scandal was awful, you know. The last scandal was awful. the reason I didn't say that they break that zone. Now it's time to wait, guys. Now it's time to wait. Let's see what happened. Um, well, we have like little parallel channel too, like trying to go up. So let's see the reactions there. If we can continue like this or not, it depends for the next minutes. Mm, well, because many things like inclusive we say like a triangle or something like this. But well, it depends. It depends for these candles if we can continue like this or not. It depends for that. Let's see what happened. Just a simple uptrend there. So well, let's wait. I'm going to the restaurant and back. Restaurant and back, guys. So let's see. Okay, guys. So let me check. 39. Let's be ready. Finally, the price break. This again was a fake of some break of a structure there, so it will retest. So just we need to wait the retracement. Wait the retracement. Let's see if we can find the retracement in these candles or not. It depends. It depends for the next minutes. So well, retracement, good retracement. Let me check the last 36, 37. Okay, it's time to be ready. It's time to be ready. And also, people wants to open a long position and everything. So if you want to open the sell position, you can try it there. But well, my idea is open the sell position. So if you are buying, continue with your long position, my friend. That was your idea. Always remember, respect your ideas, guys. Respect your ideas. That's really important for clarify the ideas in a good way. The good way. Remember, I need a consolidation. I have a consolidation here in 36. 36. Looks like a nice consolidation there. So let's see what happened. So well, reaction to the 0.5. That's a possible point. What I can take it, but let's wait the 5 minutes. Let's wait the 5 minutes. Pure patience, guys. Remember, at this point, we don't have time to take any mistake. Mm, 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 mm. 36, 36. At least everyone to open it. I don't like to open the trades in the same point. So the last point was 30, 36, 37. That's 78. I prefer to open a better position and then see what happened. Let me check. Beautiful. Beautiful there. Mm, 36, 39. 36, 38. Now we are into a consolidation, a nice consolidation there. Mm, but let's see for the others. Let's see for the others. Balling by some, it's around 36.20. 36.20. The sell zone is into the 36 40. 36.40. It's here. The thing is, the sell zone it already touched, give us the reaction. Now it gives us the confirmation. So for that reason, we will open the trade in lower prices. Copy is in the long position. Perfect. Hold. If you have a trade, just hold your trade. That's it. Always defend your ideas, guys. Always defend your ideas. Looks great. 36, 37. Reaction there. So this is the last candle, so that's great. The price defend the 36, 37 again. Well, let's see. Let's see for the new candle in 1 hour. It looks like a shooting star for the new candle. Okay, the price still like wants to stay there, so I need to take a decision. I need to take a decision in the next 2, 3 candles because we got that beautiful consolidation there into the 0.5. Mm. So well, be ready. Be ready. There with L is in a buy. Perfect. Remember, if you're already into a trade, just don't change. Don't change the trade. Continue with your idea. That's your first idea. So here, and don't propose yours, close your trades or whatever. Just continue with your ideas, guys. Continue with your ideas. That's really important to defend the positions. Mm. So, well, it's falling. It's falling again. Probably we to take the decision there. Hmm. So well, unfortunately, the price give us the reaction into the 0.5. Um, Now it will continue falling probably. What a pity. What a pity. Now it's around for 35 pips, 40 pips. So let's see, I'm going to wait this candle and one more. If nothing happened, this is the day I was done. Remember, today is the day with the high impact news. So for that reason, the market looks like this. Uh, well, I mean, no, that is the gam box. That is the gam box, and the gam box show me where is the possible zone of reactions. What we are, um, well, yes, like the 0.5 is here. So for that reason, I would like to open the trade there and explain like that zone, but I don't like when I need to open the trade near to the last entry and everything. And for that reason, um, I don't like that much. So well, not entry at this moment. Waiting this candle and one candle more. Yeah, 31. It's different. It's going to be difficult. So for that reason, I think like probably we will see some reaction or not. It depends for that zone. So well, let's see what happened. Let's see what zone is going to win. Now it's time to wait. Be patient. I was planning to open a low position in Nasdaq, but well, that didn't happen. I was planning to open the sell position here, but again, I mean, it didn't happen. Brian Dumb, yes, this week is not easy. This month is not easy. Many expectations for for the interest rate. For the interest rate, many expectations for that. And well, that it didn't help us a lot. Let's see what happened in the next weeks. But this week was difficult. This week, I would say it's not for. It's one of the worst week for starting in trading. If you are starting in trading, um, this week and the last week was difficult. Or well, basically this month is a worst week, worst month for starting in trading. It's not for the people with not too much experience, um, and everything. So well, brilliance, stop loss again. What happened? What position do you take, my friend? Such a good sun. Yes, it was a beautiful sun too. And I explain you guys. My idea is open a sell position, not a long position. But well, some people like to um to just open loans positions when we see a retracement or something. At this moment, just waiting. I will wait one candle more for 15 minutes. If we don't have many opportunities like this near to the south sun, near to the 36, 38, we will not open the position. Okay, so please be clear of that. Even in this point, they're trying to break the little trend line. Well, the 0.5 is there too. So many we have some possibilities to open the position there, but it depends. It depends for the next minutes. I would say, Marie, it's difficult for people who are starting, who are starting and to take the decisions and everything. Many traps, a lot of traps, many growth information and everything. For example, here, I know the price will continue in the give us a reaction, but even give us a retracement for the 3638. We didn't take that position almost for 60 pips right now. That was beautiful. So well, as you can see, guys, the trade is telling us buy. That's not good. That's not good. So well, this is the reality. The thing is, it's not necessary to wait another 15 minutes candle. Well, the price just go. The price just go. Losing any position. Open the trade. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened in the next 15 minutes candle. Probably we can do something there. Well, okay. Reaction again. Let's expect a good retracement. Probably with a good retracement, we can open the trade. It depends for the. Okay, you're yes, the FOMO sentimental is strong in these days. It's everyone wants to open a sell position. Everyone wants to open a long position. Some people thinks like that's all for the all-time high process, and then the next day gold just touch another 80H. Same for Nasdaq. Some people say like, okay, this is enough for Nasdaq. Okay, it's going up, so that's great. It's pure patient, Brian Dumb. Yes, patient is If you fall in a ground point, you will lose many dollars, many money. Just you need to be patient. No one is forcing you to take any trade. The only one who is forcing here to take position it's me. And well, I'm trying to take it with a lot of responsibility. Sometimes I can lose, of course. Sometimes I can provide a really good trades. It depends for for the next minutes. Let's see what happened. Now we are holding. Sorry, now we are waiting. We are waiting, guys. Okay. Okay. Just it's time for the ads. Remember, guys, if you want to open a challenge of your thinking, or basically you have a very small account, if you want to trade seriously and pass a challenge, just go into the profitmatch.com. There you will have many options for the best, the most trustable prop frames accounts. I will share the link into the chat. There, just click, make me a favor, click and go there. The challenge will help you if you don't have enough money to have a real experience in trading. Of course, to save some money because it's better to practice with a challenge and try to pass it. And if you pass it, of course, you will have really good opportunities to have a real account. Just go into the propermatch.com. There you will see the best options and the best offers into the market, guys. Just go there and you can see the information there. The link is into the chat, guys. So, well, guys, at this moment, um, just waiting the retracement. We have 6 minutes more for clarify the position. So well, I was trying to succeed the link. Perfect. Yes, I remember when I was thinking like in the first time with my own money wasn't enough to have a real experience. Well, then I found the prop firms. I'm gonna start with many companies. The ones what I like it is fake sci-fi. Um, I have a really good experience with them. I have a really good experience. At this moment, it looks really nice to have an account with them. No issues. I sacrificed my Quantical account for the last month for June, July. Probably it will disappear in the next month because I don't want to save it to the drown down. But well, nowadays with my personal account on the FXFI, it's enough. So the best instant funded. Well, I remember the Quantical have a really nice instant funded prop firm. Um, but they have a rule there really strict. But trade with L again, just if you want to check the information, what is the best in your country or what is the best information, just go into the propermatch.com. There you will see the reviews. There you will see the information and the promo codes for many options there. Just choose the best one in your country, many information there. So I think it's very helpful, the link. Just go into the link and you need to before to take the decision, read very clear the information there about the platform companies, guys. Okay. No, the link trade with L performatch.com. The link is there. Just click the link into the chat. You will see the information about many companies. Just read uh, before you make a decision to take a challenge. Read all the reviews about that company, and that's it. Perfect Match is a project for listed for rate um, the the prop firms into the market. So there you will clarify all the positions, all the reviews about the companies there. What is the current path? Do you wait the 38 to sell? Yes, but I think it didn't happen. This moment we wait the 50 minutes and nothing, not much to do. So well, guys, that's all for today. Um, Hopefully, most of the people here can take the first straight. Well, I'll be back in Tokyo session for the people in Telegram. For the people here, I'll be back in New York session, guys. I appreciate everyone here. I appreciate the good comments, the likes, the dislikes. Everyone, thanks for always being here. Trade with L. Nice to see you here. Dunk Master, my friend. Um, Mohammed, Kerjum, Brain Dump, Cappy, Top Dog, as usual, Beatlock, um, Amim, Clave Boy, a lot of beautiful people today. Jose Trades, Many Trader, Elena 73. So, so many beautiful people here, guys, today. Beautiful chat today. Certified trader, sure, for sure. So, well, guys, thanks for Richard. Thanks for being here. It's many no many names into the chat, guys. So probably forget some. Thanks for understand. Thanks for the patience. Thanks for for take the entries. The 36, 37 was a good point, as you can see. But well, we didn't see the proper retracement for open another entry. Yes, we I forget the entry. Remember when the price is almost close, I will not take any positions. Okay. So, well, guys, back in New York session. Remember, Telegram signals 79 years for 1 year subscription. The only way to receive it is by the link. Okay. PT Markets is the same. If you want to work with PT Markets, you can click the link and you will see the information, guys. So, I really appreciate everyone. Thanks for understand. Thanks for the support. Not the best date, but well, high impact news today. Today we will have another opportunity to have better trades. Don't feel bad. Don't feel uncomfortable. And well, we will back. I'll be back for the people in Discord and Telegram in Tokyo session, and I'll be back for people here in YouTube tomorrow in New York session. Thanks, guys. See you soon and take care.